What if everything you've been told about sickness is wrong? What if the aches, the sleepless nights, the struggles you feel aren't just random? They're clues to something deeper. Today we're diving into a 200-year-old idea that could change how you see health forever. This is the story of homeopathy and the secret of the sick. Our journey begins with Samuel Hahnemann, a doctor who lived over 2 centuries ago. Back then, medicine was a guessing game. Doctors threw treatments at patients, hoping something would stick. But Hahnemann said, "Enough. There's got to be a better way." He believed medicine should follow rules, principles, not just trial and error. Today we call conventional medicine allopathy. It's what most of us know. Go to the doctor, get a test, find the problem, fix it. Allopathy looks at your body like a machine. Got a cough? It's your lungs. Tired all the time? Maybe your heart. They zoom in on the parts, your tissues, your organs, and say that's where the sickness lives. They use microscopes to spot changes, like bacteria or damaged cells, and call that the disease. To them, sickness is what you can see, touch, or measure. No visible problem? No sickness. But here's where homeopathy steps in and flips the script. Ever felt awful but been told, "You're fine"? Imagine this. You're exhausted, your stomach's a mess, you can't sleep. You visit every specialist, heart, lungs, eyes, you name it. They run tests and say, "Nothing's wrong," but you feel sick. What's happening? Hahnemann had an answer. Homeopathy says sickness isn't just in your body. It starts somewhere deeper, in what Hahnemann called the vital force. Think of it as the energy that keeps you going, like the battery of your soul. When it's out of whack, you feel it, long before your body shows any damage. Allopathy waits for proof. Like a liver failing or lungs breaking down, they name it cancer or diabetes and attack it. But homeopathy asks, why did it start? It's not about naming diseases, it's about who's sick. And that's the big idea. The sick isn't your liver or your skin. It's you, the real you. Here's where it gets wild. Hahnemann said the body's just a house, and the real person lives inside. Made of two things: your will and your understanding. Your will is what you love, what drives you. Your understanding is how you think and make sense of the world. Together, they're you. When they're out of balance, you're sick, way before your body falls apart. Think of it like this. If your house starts crumbling, you don't just patch the walls, you check the foundation. Allopathy patches the walls, cuts out the bad part, throws pills at it. Homeopathy says, fix the storm inside and the house will hold. So how do you find this inner storm? Homeopathy listens. It's not just, where does it hurt? It's, what do you feel? Do you wake up scared? Does rain make it worse? Your mind, your emotions, your thoughts holds the key. Why? Because that's where the real you lives. Take a nervous kid. Wild dreams, jumpy, tired but wired. Doctors check everything, heart, brain, blood, all normal, they say, but that kid's been sick from the start. Left alone, years later, the body might break. Maybe asthma, maybe worse. Homeopathy says, catch it now before the damage shows. Sickness is like a tree. The roots are deep, your will and understanding. The branches are symptoms, aches, fevers, sadness. Allopathy chops the branches. Homeopathy digs to the roots. Why treat the leaves when you can heal the source? Hahnemann didn't just dream this up, he tested it. He gave healthy people substances, like coffee or gold, and wrote down every symptom they felt. These provings became homeopathy's playbook, the materia medica. If coffee makes a healthy person jittery, a tiny dose can calm someone who's already wired. That's the rule, like cures like. Here's the twist. These remedies are diluted so much, they're almost nothing. Critics laugh, it's just water. But homeopaths say it's the memory of the substance that nudges your vital force back to balance. It's gentle, not a sledgehammer. What about bacteria? Allopathy says they're the enemy, kill them. Homeopathy says, hold up, they're just scavengers showing up after the sickness starts. The real cause, that invisible storm in your will and understanding. Fix that, and the bacteria leave on their own. Today, we love quick fixes, pills, surgery, done. But what if the answer's deeper? Picture a family, Same roots, different problems. One gets cancer, another migraines, all from the same inner chaos. Homeopathy treats the chaos, not just the symptoms. Take that 25-year-old with pages of complaints, exhaustion, fears, no sleep. No doctor finds anything wrong, but homeopathy sees the storm brewing. Treat it early, and they could live to 80 with no scars. Wait, and the body crumbles. It's about timing and listening. Hahnemann said, "There are no diseases, just sick people." Forget fancy names like Bright's disease. It's all you, your unique story. Allopathy hunts for a label, homeopathy hunts for you. And when it finds you, it heals from the inside out. So next time you feel off, ask, is it my body or is it me? Homeopathy dares us to look deeper, to heal the real sick, not just the shadows on the wall. It's a revolution hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to listen.